Today we are going to see this 21-story building, residential building construction schedule. These are the assumptions we are seeing here. The floor plate we considered 1000 square meter per floor. Basement, there are 4 basements are there. Above ground 21 levels are there. The total floor count is 25 slabs. Total gross floor area is 25,000 square meter and basement excavation depth is 16 meter. So excavation footprint is around 1300 square meter. So excavation volume is 20,800. Okay. The wrapped concrete is 1200 cubic meter and basement RCC 2000 cubic meter. Tower RCC around 8000 cubic meter. Roof ancillary RCC 100 cubic meter. The total RCC is coming L 1280 cubic meter. The wrapped rebar is 216 ton. These are all tentative values we have calculated. Basement rebar is 300 ton and tower rebar is 1037 ton. So total rebar is 1553. Okay. And tower formwork required is around 38,000 square meter and basement formwork required 7,200 square meter. Facade area is 15,000 square meter. Blockwork area it is coming around 8,750 square meter. Internal plaster is around 30,000 square meter and floor finishes is around 20,000 square meter and ceiling area is 15,000 square meter and paint area is around 50,000 square meter. So working calendar we consider 26 days per month or we can say 6 days per week working and target floor cycle is 8 days per floor is considered and average crew productivity is 1 basis. So concrete wastage is considered 3% and rebar wastage is considered 5% and finish wastage considered 7%. Okay, let's see the WBS levels we consider already prepared in Excel sheet. So this is level 1 to level 5. These are the WBS setups. So let's say we filter out level 1 first. This is level 1 WBS. So let's start making a level 1 WBS. For that, you have to start the new project. So I'm going to tell you the entire things here. So this is the EPS, or you can say you can select the wherever you want, or you can say in sample project. If you EPS, you have to select first. Then next, you have to give the name of project ID. You can say a 21 RES or something whatever you want. You can give here. Okay, and project name you can say 21 story residential tower construction, or you can give whatever name you want here. Next is already there, so we'll give something res 20 res 21. Okay, project start whatever you want, or whenever it is started, you have to consider, suppose it is started on 3rd August. So put it that 3rd August. Next, then responsible manager, we can give the responsible manager's name here, or energy or ENC, the standard rates, you have to mention here. And congratulations, new project is started. To check the new project, you have to go into the enterprise, then project, then here the new project is created under sample. Let's see, the new project we have given this one, RES 21. Let's open this. So this is the blank sheet here. You have to add WBS. To add the WBS, you have to go in the project. Under project, you have to go the WBS. So once you click the open blank sheet, is only name is there, project name is there. You can see here. So let's start making the WBS. For that, Excel is already there. So for that, you have to keep the both sheets parallel nearby, so that it will become easy to make you, instead of writing, you can copy the things, so it will become easy to you to make the schedule. So let's start. I will make this one. Yeah. Okay. So to create here, you have to press the plus. So under this, WS is created. Then the first one is design and drawing. Just copy here, design and drawing, and you can paste here, or you can write the name here. The next WS is procurement. You can bring it down by this up and above arrow is there. Okay. The next one is procurement. So just paste here. There are three main WBS, or you can say phase: design, drawings, procurement, and construction. The third one is construction. Okay, construction. So we'll move to the next level. This one is the level 1. The next level is level 2. So for that, you have to go to filter, then select the level 2. So level 1 and level 2 is opened. Under design and drawings, there are three sub-WBCs: design management, architecture and interiors, structural MEP design. Okay, let's see. So the design management under design and drawings. Okay, first here. Then next one is architecture and interiors. So architecture and interiors. Then next one is structural MEP. So create next thing. Just copy this one, paste here. Okay, we finished the phase 1 design and drawings WBS up to level 2. Then move to procurement. Then create the new WBS here. Under procurement, there are two WBSs are there, subdivided. Copy, paste here. The long lead procurement. And next is structural material procurement. Structural material procurement. Okay, we finish the procurement. We move to construction. So, under construction, preliminary enabling is the first new WBS. We create next one, that is substructure. This is the substructure. We'll move to next, superstructure. Okay, superstructure. We create another one, that is envelope and external works. Okay, under this another one is MEP, PLV and firefighting. So we create another one, that is interior finishes. Okay, and next one is testing and handovering. Okay, we have created up to level 2. Now we'll move to level 3. Level 3, we have to check this. Now up to level 3, we have opened. Okay, we'll go to under design management. There are two more WBSs. So under this design management, we create a new WBS, that is project brief and basis of design. So this one we have to paste here. Then create another, that is BIM and coordination. BIM and coordination. Okay, we'll move to next. Under architecture, create a new WBS, that is architectural design. So this one. So create another WBS for the finishes and facade. So finishes and facade. Okay, we'll move to structural and MEP. There are two more WBS. The first one is structural design and second one is MEP and firefighting design. So design and drawings up to level 3 is completed. We move to procurement. Under long lead items, here we can see the vertical transportation and facade and major MEP. So let's create new WBS under long lead item, that is vertical transportation. Okay, so another WBS is facade and major MEP. So facade and major MEP. Okay, we'll move to structural material procurement. Under this, the WBS is RCC and reinforcement. RCC and reinforcement. So create another WBS, that is temporary works and form work. Okay, so we finished the procurement up to level 3. We'll move to construction. Under construction, the preliminary enabling works, the new WBS is mobilization. So we'll create a mobilization under this. There is only one WBS under preliminary enabling works. We'll move to substructure. Under substructure, there are three WBSs. First is excavation and retention. Excavation and retention. Second WBS is foundation. Foundation. Okay. And third WBS is basement structure. Now we move to superstructure. Under this, there are two new WBSs. Tower frame. Tower frame. First one. And second WBS is rooftop structures. Rooftop structures. Okay, we finished up to superstructure. We'll move to envelope and external works. Under this, there is only one WBS, that is facade. That is facade. Okay, we will move to MEP. Under MEP, there are two new WBSs. The first one is riser and builders work, and second WBS is floor MEP. Floor MEP. We'll move to interior finishes. Under interior finish, there is a WBS partitions and plasters. These partitions may be blockwork or drywall partitions. Okay. Nowadays, high-end drywall partitions are introduced everywhere. So externals are blockwork and internals are drywall partitions are there. So next WBS is floor, ceiling and paint. So we'll move to last stage, that is testing and handing over. Under this, the WBS is commissioning. Okay, this is the commissioning. We completed up to level 3 WBSs. Now we'll move to level 4. Okay, level 4. This is the level 4. We go to design and drawings. Design and drawings. Under project brief. Under project brief, there is a one WBS, that is scope performance criteria and codes. This is the WBS. Okay, after this, we move to BIM coordination. Under this, there is a one WBS, that is federated BIM model. Federated BIM model. Okay, we'll move to next architecture design. Under this, there is a one WBS GA elevations and details. GA general drawings and elevation details. We move to next finishes and facade. Under this, there is a WBS called advanced finish and material approvals. So this one is there. We'll move to next. Under structural design, there is a WBS called foundation, basement and tower design. So this is the new WBS. We'll move to MEP. Under MEP and fire design, there is a new WBS, that is service layouts and builders works. Okay, service layout and builders work. We'll move to procurement. We'll move to procurement. Under vertical transportation, there is a WBS, that is lift package. That is lift package. We'll move to facade and major MEP. Under this, there is a WBS, which is facade HVAC electrical and fire package. Okay, fire package. We'll move to structural procurement. Under this RCC, we have a new WBS, that is concrete rebar and embedded atoms. Under temporary works, there is farmer access systems. This is the new WBS. Okay, we'll move to construction. Under mobilization, there is a new WBS, that is site setup and temporary services. Temporary services. Okay, we'll move to substructure. Under this excavation, there is a new WBS earthwork and dewatering. Earthwork and dewatering. Okay, we'll move to foundation. Under foundation, there is a new WBS, blinding, waterproofing and raft. Okay, we'll move to basement structure. Under this, there is a new WBS, basement slabs, walls and columns. Okay, we'll move to superstructure. Under tower crane. Under tower crane, there is a WBS, that is core, columns, beams and slabs. We'll move to roof and top structure. Under this, there is a WBS called roof plantrooms and parapets. We'll move to next. Under facade, there is a new WBS, that is unitized and advanced facade installations. We'll move to risers and builders work. Under this, there is a new WBS, that is sleeves, risers and platforms. We'll move to floor MEP. Under this, there is a new WBS, first fix, second fix and testing. Okay, we'll move to interior. Under partition and plaster, there is a blocks, drywalls and plaster. Okay, we'll move to floor WBS. Under this, there is a WBS finishes and decoration. Finishes and decoration. We'll move to last stage. Under commissioning, there is a WBS called integrated testing and authority inspection. Okay, we completed level 4. So let's move to level 5. Level 5 is the last one. So level 5 here, under here you can see under scope, there is a new WBS, that is approved basis of design. Approved basis of design. Federated BIM model. Federated BIM model. Under this, the new WBS is clash detection and issue closure. Okay, we'll move to architecture. Under GA, there is a WBS, called issued for construction architectural package. Issued for construction architectural package. After that we move to finishes. Under finishes, so the new WBS, that is mockups and approved samples. Mockups and approved samples. That's we finished architectural. Now we move to structural. Under foundations. Under foundations, the new WBS is IFC, structural drawings and bar schedules. Then under MEP services, there is a new WS, that is coordinated IFC MEP package. Okay. Then we will move to next stage, that is procurement. Under lift package, the new WS is shop drawings, manufacturing and delivery. Then under facade, the new WS is approved vendor submittals and deliveries. So then we will move to structural. So under concrete, the new WS is call of testing and delivery control. So in next one is climbing core table forms and edge protection. Then we'll move to construction stage. Under this earthwork, the new WS is excavate holes, store and the water. Then we'll move to foundation. 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 Basement. Under basement, we'll see the new WS is basement structure. We'll move to superstructure. Under core and columns, there is a new WS, that is repeat floors. Then we'll move to roof and plant. Under this, the WS is waterproofing and roof finishes. We'll move to facade part. Under advanced facade installation, the new WS is bracket panels and glazing testing. Under sleeves, prefabricated models and pressure tests. Under floor fix, first fix, rolling floor and floor installation. So we'll move to the blocks and rivals. Rolling and floor finishes. We'll move to the floor ceiling inclined. Tiles and resilient floors. We'll move to the last stage, that is integrated testing. Under this, and WBS systems commissioning and snagging handover. This is we have completed the level up to level 5 the whole WBS. We'll see you in the next tutorial, in the next video.